Good morning, students. Today we are going to see pair of straight lines. In that, combined equation of the pair of straight lines. Let us consider the two individual equations of straight lines. Equation of straight lines L1 x plus m1 y plus n1 is equal to 0. L2 x plus m2 y plus n2 is equal to 0. Then their combined equation is it is a equation of straight line. It's also an equation of another straight line. The combined equation of pair of straight line is multiplied these two, that is L1 x plus m1 y plus n1 into L2 x plus m2 y plus n2 is equal to 0 is the combined equation. When we multiply these two, we get L1 L2 x squared plus L1 m2 plus L2 m1 xy plus m1 m2 y squared plus L1 n2 plus L2 n1 x plus m1 n2 plus m2 n1 y plus n1 n2 is equal to 0. When we multiply these two, we get this. It is coefficient of x squared. Then we can take it as ax squared. It is a coefficient of xy. Then we take it as 2hxy. Coefficient of y squared, by squared. Coefficient of x, 2gx, 2fy. It is constant. C is equal to 0. This is the second order general equation of second order. That is, hence the general equation of pair of straight lines can be taken this like where A, B, C, F, G and H are all are constants. Then the pair of straight lines passing through the origin 3.32 pair of straight lines passing through the origin. The homogeneous equation ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared is equal to 0. This is second degree in x and y represents represent a pair of straight lines. Passing through the origin. Let y is equal to m1x. It's a equation of a straight line passing through the origin, and y is equal to m2x, another straight line passing through the origin. Be two straight lines passing through the origin. Then their combined equation is y minus m1x, y minus m2x is equal to 0. When we multiply these two, we get m1 m2 x squared minus m1 plus m2 xy plus y squared is equal to 0. 2. 1 and 2 is the same equation. 1 and 2 represent the same pair of straight lines. Then, therefore, we compare these two, we get a by m1 m2 is equal to 2h by minus of m1 plus m2 is equal to b by 1. We compare 1 and 2, we get a by m1 m2 x squared coefficient, and we get these comparison. Therefore, we get m1 m2 come there, b is come here, then m1 m2 is equal to a by b, and m1 plus m2 come here, b is come there, we get 2h by minus there b. This is then m1 is a slope, m2 is another straight line slope. The product of the slope is a by b. The addition of the slope is minus 2h by b. We get these equations. Then angle between pair of straight lines. Therefore, the angle between the pair of straight lines. Angle between the pair of straight lines. The equation of the pair of straight line. The equation of the pair of straight line passing through the origin. Ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared is equal to 0. Let m1 and m2 be the slope of above lines. Therefore, we know m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, and m1 m2 is equal to a by b. Let theta be the angle between the pair of straight lines. pair of straight lines. Then tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. We know m1 minus m2 is equal to root of m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 m1 m2. We substitute this, we get tan theta is equal to plus or minus 2 root of h square minus ab by a plus b. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse 2 root of h square minus ab by a plus b is the angle between the pair of straight lines formula.